Let's eat, guys. I don't know if my balloon is gonna join me to finish this cake. This is a lot. I'm not really a cake person, so. Cheers! Enjoy my holiday with my family. Now back to reality. Ma!
You eat that one all?
No,
Right?
too much.
Matamis ano?
Yeah, very. Look at that. Seriously, guys, I'm not really into cake or dessert. I said to myself, I just want to try something different. It's too sweet. I'm gonna get fat. I was gonna do my challenge, but no. How come people can eat this? I enjoyed my holiday with my family. Did you have fun with me, ma'am?
Yeah. 5 days you, 6 days you holiday, right?
Yeah, I did quite a lot of videos.
Ano, 1 week.
1 week I was here. Yeah, I did a video with this and with that. My nephew will miss my pancake because I cooked for him for like 3 times, isn't it? 3 times pancake.
Yeah.
So he's gonna miss my cooking. Oh yeah, guys, sorry about I didn't have time to cook this. Remember, I told you guys that I'm gonna cook some tinola, but I was busy. So maybe next time when I'm coming here, and then I didn't have time to cook pinagpat either or paksiw. Gonna visit my family again. It's hard to buy this sayote. Oh, this is too sweet. I think I had only like 3 slices already.
Sabi ko sa'yo, matamis yan.
Yeah. Now something different rather than, you know. But you should eat your breakfast now as well, you know.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna go soon. It's nice, but like for example, I'm not a sweet person or a dessert person or a cake person. So no challenge for me. Sweet food. Last night we have a nice potomaki sushi. Good thing I didn't do this as a challenge then. Isn't it, ma?
Oh, yeah. Matamis
It's gonna be embarrassing again. So I can do it, but it's not. But how can people can eat? Oh, I see all the other people doing mukbang. You know, they have this 5 kilo of ice cream, 5 kilo of cakes and everything, all that kind of stuff. And I said to myself, how they can eat it? Possible. No, I'm just saying that how come people can manage how finish like 1 kilo of rice and then 1 kilo of pig to eat. You see the challenge in Mukbang in YouTube. It's a lot. I'm just watching them. I'm like, how they put it? I mean, how they eat it?
Malaki ang bito.
No, I don't think so. It's nice, guys. This is gonna be my last. It's my last, guys. I don't wanna get fat. Lost a bit of weight, innit, mom?
Yeah.
I was 7.5 and now I'm 7 stone. My mom's so addicted to Korean movie. Is this pandemic finished yet? I don't go Philippines.
Huh?
Is this pandemic finished yet?
Yes.
When is it gonna finish? You're gonna go to the Philippines, you need to escalate yourself anyway. It's waste of money. What? You pay for your ticket £1,000 and then you have to pay for the hotel and all that kind of stuff. It's waste. In it, ma.
Yeah.
It's the best thing to do. Be patient, I suppose. Because every year we go Philippines. This year, no, 2 years that we didn't go to Philippines, isn't it?
Yeah. I know.
I miss my chicken feet, my chicken head, and my red horse. I don't really like San Miguel here. My mom is disturbing me. Ma, are you gonna eat now? Come on, because I need to go
I
soon.
take my coffee. My tea.
No, I don't think so I can finish this. I finished just this one. If I will eat all these guys, maybe I'll be sick. Spent time with my brother because he was busy working. And then when he finished work, it's already like midnight and then I'm sleeping already. But I'm hoping. The other day, we went to the, what is it called that, Mom?
Alin?
The place that we went to?
Saan?
Yeah, Sky Garden, but we went to other place, you know, when we like walking around. What's that place again?
Ay, ewan ko.
I can't remember anyway. Me and my sister saw that, and then my sister told me, we should ask Michael to go that place. I said, okay. Would be nice, you know, hanging out with my brother, like 3 of us, like my sister, my brother, you know, like brother and sister day out. It's been a long time that me and my brother and my sister didn't hang out because my sister's busy, my brother's busy, I'm busy. And then we always have a different schedule. So we're gonna take him to this bar that we saw. And the music is really good as well. My sister liked it. So I just told my sister, okay, we'll see. Because I work Saturday and Sunday, double. So I'm just gonna book it. I can work morning and then at night. I don't have to. No, I can ask at night, Saturday. No, I can ask night off, and then I can do like morning shift. And then I just meet them up. Would be nice, you know, hanging out with my sister and my brother. Catch up, you know, have a laugh, cry or laugh, you know. Looking forward for that actually. I can't even finish this cake. I've tried eating cake. Don't really usually eat cake. When you have time to do all these things I want to make, I don't even have time. We're busy. This is your breakfast. Look, Mom.
What?
This one, look.
No?
My mom can have this for lunch. See that one. There's no more distance. Did you see, Ma?
Huh?
Anywhere you go, there's no more distance.
Anong distance?
Distant.
Distansya, ano?
More bites to go. Do you want some? My sister said she doesn't want. Come on, guys. I need someone who can help me to do editing because I'm very bad at doing it. Message me below because my video is still not perfect. I'm trying my best. I'm not gonna give up. I'm still gonna carry on doing it. Doing the Blue Monday, Sis Brenda.
Huh?
When are we doing the Blue Monday?
Wala ang Blue Monday.
How many plates I can eat? She doesn't think that there's no more Blue Monday. I asked my sister last night if she's gonna go to the Costco. I want to ask her to buy all the all the ingredients, you know, because I have the full ingredients. Like I have no wasabi, no ginger. Like I said, I don't really like sesame seeds, so that's alright. But of course, I'm gonna have sesame seeds because other people like sesame seeds, right? And then all these, you know, ingredients. And I told her to buy this salmon so I can salmon because Ate Norma's husband loved salmon, like inside out maki, inside out maki, kapamaki, potomaki, and salmon maki, and then sashimi and nigiri. So I'm looking forward for that. So join me, guys. All right. Anyway. Oh, my nephew's here already. Come here, Jen. Come here. A little one. He's not a little one anymore. He's a big one now. Here, look, Baba. Mama Michelle was waiting for you. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay safe, stay healthy, and peace. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye-bye.